Welcome to the module 2 of e-learning methodology, creating a WhatsApp group. First of all, to create a WhatsApp group and add participants in the WhatsApp group, you need to have the participants within your contact list. First, we are presupposing that you already have the relevant participants within your contact list. Now, what you need to do is that you need to tap on your WhatsApp. If you don't see the WhatsApp on your home screen, it will be somewhere within your applications. Now, as you have opened the WhatsApp, you can see lots of chats. What you need to do is that you need to tap this option. You can see there are lots of options with new group and new contact. You can add a new contact from here, but what we need is a new group with already present contacts. So now you need to add some participants. I am adding Alapon to this group. Now you need to type a group subject here, the name of the group. I am writing it as test. Test group. So we have created a test group. As you can see, this is the test group. Now you may want to add a relevant picture for this group. Click here, select gallery, select any of the photos you may have. Suppose you are using this, you can resize a bit. And click on done. So you have changed this. Now you can also see that there are two participants. You can click on someone, you can long tap on someone, and you can change these options. You can make him a group admin. You can dismiss as admin if one is already an admin, and you can also remove these people from the group. Now you click on that arrow and you are back to your group. Now you can add any number of participants by clicking here, going down and selecting this add participants option. I am again adding Alapon to this group. You can see he is again present within this group. With this method, we can add any number of person to the group. Next, we shall see how we can add some persons by inviting them through the link, because it is difficult for us to add all these persons. What you need to do is that invite via link. Click on this invite via link. You can, when you have this link, you can use the copy link option to copy this to your clipboard, which you can paste anywhere, or you can simply send link via WhatsApp. Suppose you have selected this option, you can see that this link can be shared to any of your WhatsApp contacts, any of the group, and virtually anyone. So suppose you want to send this link to, suppose this is another group, or suppose this is your SI West Bengal chapter group. This is suppose I am again trying to send this group link to Alapon. So I shall select him and also select this test group. But with this method, this link to this group, inviting link to this group shall be shared to both Alapon and the test group. So now if we open the test group, we can see that follow this link to join my WhatsApp group. This will show that anyone who clicks this link will be able to join this WhatsApp group, this test group. With this method, anyone can join in this group, whoever have the access to this link. Thank you for listening to the module 2 of e-learning methodology, creating a WhatsApp group.